Hey gang, it's Ark. Welcome back to our Interloper Faithful Cartographer series in the Long Dark. My screen is a little blurry. Oh yeah, I've got sprains. Okay. So we have a couple of things that we want to accomplish today. I came up with some stuff, so I've got my... I had heard the sound of a moose, maybe coming from like over that direction-ish. Actually, it looks like there's a sapling up there. It's cleared up a lot out here. It used to be a lot mistier, so I think I am going to walk up this way briefly. We gotta be careful, though. If there is a moose around, I don't want to get into a confrontation right now. Looks like there's actually another sapling down there, too. Oh, he's right there, and he's actually charging me. Think. Wait, he's not charging me. He's just threatening to. Okay, well that answers that question. There's definitely a moose. You know what? I don't need those saplings right now. I'm gonna hope he hangs around. Let's go make some arrows, and I'll come back tomorrow, and... Oh, that would be so nice to get a moose hide. And go ahead and get that curing. Now... I'm gonna head over this way. I still don't know exactly where Trappers is. It might be just over this way, and it might be just over this hill. I'm not really familiar with this area back here. But yeah, so that answers that question. There is a moose there. One of the other things is I wanted to go ahead and drop off the bear hide. Oh, now I'm really turned around. Wasn't I just at this pond? Let's go see if this is the deer that I harvested. Unnamed pond. Yeah, it's not saying that this is a new location. And there's the deer meat I harvested. So yeah, this is where I was. I must have gone up that way and gotten turned around and worked my way down over there when I was trying to go over that way. Like I said, it was pretty foggy. Alright, well, I guess I'll grab these feathers while I'm here. Let's see. Now that there's no mist, I'm just gonna go ahead and risk carrying all this back. I should see any predators from a fair distance. And we can always drop a decoy if we need to. Let's see, I didn't leave anything in there. I guess since I'm technically attracting predators, I should have this out. Okay, so in addition to dropping the bear hide off, which still has a few more days to cure, the final thing that's on my list is...
That guy who drank his own pee doesn't seem so crazy right now.
I found that Polaroid. Alright, let's do some running. I want to get tired out by the time we try to sleep tonight. Let's see, that looks somewhat familiar up there. I believe that wall there is the edge of the zone. I'm going to adjust my trajectory a bit more over here. We'll see trappers on our right if we go too far to the left here. But I believe it's going to be just over this hill. It looks like that. Is that a wolf coming straight towards us, or is that a deer? Could be a wolf. I am quite weighed down here. I do have some coffee if I need it. Guessing that was a wolf, so I'm gonna go crest this hill up here. So this is a longer trip than I thought it was. But hopefully from the top of this hill we'll have a pretty good idea of where everything is. Gotta remember that these huge fir limbs are up here. I'd love to come up here and get some extra fuel for cooking some water and some of the meat we're probably about to get. Alright, so it looks like Trappers is over there. So I came a little bit too far to the left, but that's fine. This gives me kind of an overview of the area. Lets me know if there are any predators around. There's a deer down there. Maybe I'll go take a shot at that tonight. I do have, I think it's just the one arrow.
It's dusk, so Matt can't be far behind.
Alright, let's get inside and drop all this gear off. I'm going to be able to move so much more quickly and freely. To get rid of all this stuff. Trapper's Homestead. Alright, so let's drop those there. And drop the raw piece of meat outside. And then... Oh, I actually had this on me the whole time. Alright, well I'm just gonna go ahead and eat that. Yeah, I had forgotten. I think I cooked up a couple of pieces and I was too full to eat them at the time. Alright, I'm gonna loot what I can in the light here. There's a pot there that I can use for cooking. Go ahead and search this drawer. I think what I'm primarily gonna do though is just go back outside and try to kill that deer. And then we'll just come in here and go to sleep for the night. I guess I could get this safe now too if I can find it again. Okay, so it was like 27. $27.35. Oh man, I just went past it. All right, 27.35.56. Right. Okay. I think 56 I said. All right. Wow, that one took a while.
This stuff will come in handy.
Wow. These safes have not been friendly to me. Alright, let's go ahead and leave the arrow crafting ingredients in the drawer of the workbench here. We'll just get rid of that cash for now. What else am I carrying? Let's just go ahead and sort everything by weight. Those are all for crafting. Turned out that I didn't need this much charcoal. Yeah, let's go ahead and drop these. Bear skins to finish curing. I think they have about 24 hours left on them. Put the scrap metal in the drawer. Can leave the... Oh, this is actually full. Alright, well I still want to get rid of some more stuff, so let's find another container in here. Maybe... Are there some lockers here? Yeah. Sorry about the light. I don't think I currently have a lantern on me. I could light a torch, but we're not really doing much here. I have 77 crow feathers. Alright, we're gonna have to reorganize some stuff in a minute here, but let's just drop the tools off, some of the scrap metal. I need to drop those green saplings. Just trying to get underweight here so I can go out and try to hunt this deer. Those are fresh, so we have several pelts to drop. Doesn't look like I want to get rid of any of the rest of this. I guess there's the rest of the metal. Okay, cured rabbit pelts can be put away. We'll do some crafting with those in a bit. I guess I'll put these away for now. Okay, and then let's drop the green saplings. All right, let's just leave all these reishi mushrooms there for right now. Okay, that'll get me plenty of additional weight. Let's go ahead and drop those other pelts. We'll come back and organize this when everything is established here. Okay, these are green. Shouldn't have sorted these by weight for doing this. Okay, last thing is I'm going to put all the cured guts away because those will be used for crafting as well. So I don't need to be carrying those around. Where are they? Let's just do it this way. Alright, we are finally down to a reasonable weight. And... if I do manage to get a moose, I'm not really going to need... this is a bad way to come. I'm not really going to need this deer. Maybe I'll just harvest the... yeah, I'll just harvest the meat off of this deer and we'll call it a night. I believe I've only got one arrow anyway, so... I can't use my bow right now because of the sprained wrist. Why it won't let me switch to it. Alright, any more crow feathers around here? There's one. Might be one around the back. Sometimes they fall in weird places. Okay, I don't want the hide. I just want the meat. With the hacksaw is going to be pretty quick.
I'm getting tired.
And I'm wondering... how long does it take to get the guts? Yeah, 15 minutes with a knife. I might as well get these while I'm here. Get a few more started curing for some of my future crafting projects. Alright, let's drop that so it's not attracting anything to me. I think we're fine to go ahead and get the other one. Nice temperatures, or I guess I just have really nice clothing. Okay. Let's take all this inside. We can cook that up at some point. Lighting is really nice out here, but I doubt I'm going to be able to... work at the workbench inside. Thinking I want to make at least like 5 or 6 more arrows before I try to go take that moose down. I don't know, it might be possible. Alright, let's get the guts down. And then the rest of the meat can go outside. Let me just grab a couple of the ingredients for the arrows and we'll see how this goes. Okay, that's weird. Where'd all my... thought I put all my arrow shafts and cured saplings in there. Did I use a different container? Oh, yeah, the workbench drawer. Okay, so there's my arrow shafts. Let's get one more birch sapling. And some arrowheads. Just take all of them for right now. Oh, I forgot. We need the toolkit. Okay, I think we have everything now. See, might not matter where I stand, but I'll stand over closer to the light just in case. Alright, so let's make the set of arrow shafts first. Shouldn't take that long. Wow, I didn't realize it took this long to craft. Alright, let's do that. Nope, not enough light. Do I want to just start a fire in here? Nah, I guess I'll just sleep. We'll do it in the morning. I've already got enough food. Sleep for... I'm gonna guess in about 7 hours I'll have enough light to start working, and I want to get an early start if possible. Oh man, I forgot to drink water. That was dumb. At least I slept for a short period of time. It didn't really cost me that much in terms of condition, or maybe I ran out of water. Okay, that's never actually happened to me before. I think I drank what little I had and it wasn't enough. I think it's been 3 days since the last time I recorded, so I probably knew that I was out, and just forgot when I started this session.
I need something to drink and soon.
Alright, well at this point I might as well just start a fire. See how I'm doing for fuel overall. I have almost no fuel. That's right, I was just gonna go and grab a bunch of coal from the cave. Oh, I really messed this one up. I could have done that last night. That would have been a lot more efficient, because now I'm not going to be able to see in there. I think I'll just break down some of the stuff in here while I've got water cooking. That'll be fine. I guess I don't need to use tinder. That's fine. Alright, I think what I'll do is go ahead and stop my thirst loss here by just doing a little bit of that water. Drink that and get another batch started. And then start breaking down some of this wood in here. So let's see, the chair, that's fine. That's a reasonable amount, I think. Oh man, seriously? I thought I had plenty of time on there for that. I guess because I passed some time. Alright, fine. We'll waste another match. The bad torch out. Yeah, I guess that was 39 minutes. I didn't really allow that much time. Playing really sloppy today. Hopefully I can get the hang of this again before I do something that actually gets me killed. Oh, and I wasted all that time because I couldn't even get the chair. Oh, that's frustrating.
Ugh, my tongue feels like sandpaper. Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's put this out. Let's add the coal on here. That'll last long enough now. This is done. Go ahead and drink some water. Now we should have enough time to break down that chair. It says 29 minutes this time. I wonder if it saved some sort of partial progress. Or maybe my fire duration was really that short. Alright, this will be done in 23 minutes. Maybe I accidentally clicked the bench instead of the chair. Anyway, we should have enough time to do this. And now there's actually some light in here. Let me go ahead and just do another full batch of water on this.
Anything.
And then I think once I'm done with this set of water, we'll go ahead and bring all that meat in, cook it up. That'll give me enough to eat. I don't think I'm going to break anything else down in here. Oh, there's a heavy hammer here. Good to know. What else did I miss? I didn't really loot in the dark here. I think there's a shelf in here that can have some stuff on it. Looks like I didn't miss much. Oh, there's another cooking pot. Doesn't look like I can actually place that up there. Anything under this chair, in these crates? Here we go, sewing kits. Alright. I think we got everything in here.
I think I can use this.
Alright, that'll be done in 10 minutes. Got all the ingredients for making my arrows. And I think we're ready to just get to work. Go ahead and wait on that. So this is going to take 45 minutes. Should be fine.
God, I'd eat anything right about now.
Alright, that'll be done shortly. I don't think I have enough time to... Well, I probably have enough time. Especially if I work on the arrow shafts. That only takes 39 minutes. So let's do that. Need to check my fire duration after this. I already let it go out once. Let's grab that. get that off the fire. It only has an hour left on it, but I don't know that I necessarily need much more than that. Let's see, 25 minutes for that. Let's just make 1 or 2 teas or something. What do I really want here? I guess rosehip teas for the warming up effect. There's a cloth up there that I missed. Yeah, as we get some more light in here, it'll be a little bit easier for me to see any items that I might have passed over. Anything in the corner back here? Take a look outside. So, it's pretty cold outside right now. I think what I'll do is spend a whole morning crafting arrows, and then we'll immediately go back and see if we can get that moose. Wait, it'll be warmer. I'm going to let this fire go out. Alright, we have enough time to make 1 more tea. Not going to use these right now, so it isn't really critical that I do this. Let's go ahead and place some of my extra water down here. Alright, let's just wait until that's ready. Grab that. Grab that. Don't think I can quite eat that yet. Alright, we'll drop this off outside and let's get crafting. So I currently have 2 arrows. Let's go ahead and get started on some more. So with the tools, it's 45 minutes per arrow. I can craft up to 7 more. Let's craft 3, and then I'm going to go take a look at the weather. Get some archery skill points for every arrow I craft. Alright, we've got 2 down arrows. It's a nice bright day out here. I'm gonna push my luck and craft another 3, I think, and then we will head out. Yep, another 2¼ hours. Should have a total of 8 arrows after this. I'm hoping, I mean, that's gotta be enough, right? Alright. Now, what in here? I'm gonna take all of these out. And I'll put the other, actually, let's take this out as well. I'm gonna put some of that stuff in another chest. Let's put, tools and the actual arrow ingredients themselves in here. Where are my arrowheads? Alright, and there should be some, yeah, 1 arrow shaft. Alright, we're at 34.67. Oh, what am I still carrying that's so heavy? Alright, I picked all these up. Let's get all those on the ground. I guess I've got all these arrows on me now. I guess I should leave some stuff behind for this little hunting trip. So let's go out to the front here. Leave the pry bar. Leave the hacksaw behind for now. I'll leave this piece of wood. Gotta keep in mind I don't have any more coal on me. Alright, let's leave a few more of these prepared ingredients in here. All the prepared birch bark, prepared reishi, prepared rose hips. Alright, good enough. Let's drink some water and head out. I've got 8 arrows. Man, I still feel really slow. Maybe I speed up if I don't have the bow out. Could be because I'm walking into the wind here. Yeah, I'm getting slowed down by the wind, unfortunately. Well, this is the direction I'm traveling. I'm not going to change my mind about that. Should have eaten that last piece of cooked meat. Have the flare gun out just for any surprises. Kind of tempted to just get a fur limb for tomorrow. Takes an hour and 18 minutes for 4 pieces of fur. Maybe later on after the hunt. Okay, there is a wolf right there. Yeah, he figured out I'm here, unfortunately. Just gonna try to walk to the that one cabin. I could kill him with the bow. Maybe if he follows me all the way to the cabin, I can take a shot, and that way if I miss, I can just step inside, not have to deal with the struggle. Seems like a reasonable plan. I think if he starts to charge, though, I will use the bow and arrows rather than the flare gun. I'm high health right now. I've got the vest on. Got the hatchet on me in case it's needed, so I'm not too worried about being killed if I miss. Make sure we're staying far enough in front of him that he doesn't start charging me. Seems like we're doing fine so far. I want to get off of this slope. Take the low path around here. Could potentially lose him on these rabbits, and then I'll get a free shot off on him while he's after the rabbits. I think I might be close to leveling up archery too. So it'd be good to get some extra skill points from that. Alright, let's see if I can get through here without scaring the rabbits. Yeah, he's got to go for one of those. Alright, let's go see if we can take a shot at him. I don't have a lot of practice with the bow, so I've got to stay far enough away that he doesn't notice me here. I think this is probably going to work. Shot right over him. So there's not as much drop as I thought. Let me actually cancel that shot. Try this. Alright, so we got a skill point from that. Is this even worth harvesting?
This'll come in handy.
0.3 kilograms, not really. I guess I could grab the gut from it, but I'm not really worried. Alright, now there should be... I was standing down there, and I fired a shot over him. There should be an arrow somewhere over here. Did I miss it? I mean, it can't have gone that far because there's a slope right here. Put this away for a second. Well, that's irritating. Not only did I lose the arrow I put in the wolf, but I managed to lose another arrow somehow. Not a good start. Let's see, I would have been standing... Are these my footsteps? Would have been standing right here. I mean, I see this over here, but I think this is a stick. Pick it up so it's not distracting me. I don't know. I don't want to waste a lot of time on this. I guess, if you guys see where that arrow went, let me know. Maybe I can come back and get it at some point. I'll walk a little bit over this way, but then we're going to keep going. What's that? Yeah, those are just my footsteps from before. Yeah, I should have been paying more attention. That's my fault. I guess one way to get some more archery skill points would be if I took a rabbit out. He started moving again. Let's give him a second to settle down.
I'll take it.
Okay, so there's my arrow back. Yeah, I don't know what happened to the other one. I'll leave these rabbits here. I can come back for them if I want to. Hopefully 6 arrows will be enough to take the moose down. If that wolf that I shot dies somewhere... The crows are out right now, so... Go ahead and get some more feathers. I could get my arrow back from him, potentially. Isn't there usually a bear back here? And isn't that his cave? I feel like I've walked by this pond, like, 3 or 4 times now, and there hasn't been a bear. Alright, let's go see if this moose is around. I think the wolf did run off this way. So, if he's over here anywhere, we should hear the crows. If he died.
I think I need to lie down.
Yeah, I really tired myself out. Oh, I think the moose is here. Is that him? That is him. Alright. We're gonna get to give this a try. Now, I've only killed a moose once, and it was like 3 years ago. 3 or 4 years ago. It was in a stalker game, and it was in Coastal Highway. And so I had the rifle and everything. Alright, here's my arrow. That's good. Let's grab that. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I want to tackle this. I imagine I'm gonna hop into that building to prevent him from stomping me. Okay, so he's interested in me. Is he already charging? No. How do I get him to follow me? Because I really want... Maybe I have to shoot him from really far away and get him to charge over here, and then I'll step inside. Let's see. I think I can run that before he can close on me. So, although I don't have much stamina. Let's try a shot from back here. The bad part about this is if I miss these shots, I'm going to lose my arrows. I actually want to see if I can get him to charge me. Are you going to charge me from there? Yes. All right, perfect. Unless he gets me. Oh, it's a long run. Okay, I'm going to give him just a second. Let's eat some food before I run out. And then I guess if I crouch, I should probably be safe. Probably. Alright, let's take a shot right here. Can you get interested in me, or maybe I'll just take a shot from back here and... That was a miss. Alright, let me move over here a little. I was trying to hit him more like up near his neck, but I've got the wrong angle for that. Alright, so looking in a line towards that sapling is where my last arrow went. So I've got 6 shots. Oh man, my stamina is so short here. Alright. Whoa! Okay. So he, quickly transitioned into that. I've got 4 shots left, and then I gotta go start finding arrows. Alright, let's get out here. It's a little close for comfort. Okay. Let's kill a little bit of time in here. I hope he doesn't take all my arrows with him if he, if I don't manage to kill him. Like, if I don't kill him and then he despawns, I might lose a bunch of arrows. Oh, I'm getting so tired. I don't really want to sleep, though. I wonder if there's a better way to do this. Wish I had more energy, too. I could drink a coffee. Wow, he's hanging out right there. Wonder if he can reach me from that porch. Alright, fine. I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna sleep for an hour. That'll give me a bit more energy to finish this hunt with. He might despawn, though, which would be a pain. I think he's only got 2 of my arrows in him. Alright, let's get out here and see if he's repositioned yet. Yeah, unfortunately, I think exactly what I was afraid of has happened. So there's one of my arrows. I believe I shot at least one more over here. One that went over his head.
I need to find a place to rest.
Wait, he's right there. Where was he before? Does he still have my arrows in him? Alright, what about this? If I get up on this log... The thing is, I feel like he could glitch and, like, attack me from underneath and still be allowed to hit me. I don't think he could get up there and run along here, but he might be able to get me from underneath. Let's see, where else could I shoot him from?
Setting. It's gonna get a lot colder soon.
I'm also worried about getting up here and on this thing in time if I shoot him from, like, right here. Well, he's continuing to come over this way. I don't see my arrows in him. I'm wondering if he despawned and then spawned back in. And, I could hit him in the head. Okay, he's, interested. Okay, but he didn't actually take the bait and chase after me. So when he goes into that animation, he's facing right at me, and that's when I could have a good shot, I think. I want him to walk a little bit past... Oh, he's actually chasing me now. Alright, well, I guess we're going to find out if he can get me from up here. Oh, man. Alright. Well, so now we know that works. This is way better than the cabin idea. Alright, I'm going to go over here and see if I can get my arrow. I really wish I had made like 4 more. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get close enough. That was a new sound. Okay. Can you start charging? Nope. I just don't want to be too far away from my safe zone when he starts to charge. Alright, I'm going to wait here, and then once he starts to charge... Yes, go, 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 go. Oh, this was a mistake. I think I'm too far away. Okay, I think I made it. Alright, let's take another shot. Yes! Got him. Wow, that was an intense, protracted fight. Only 2 arrows left. Alright, let's see. I think if I just click on him, I get my arrows back. Yeah, I picked up my arrows. I'm going to go and take this hide right now, I think. And then we'll come back and get everything else later. Let me just see. I'm good on... Yeah, I'm good on all my stats here. So let's just go ahead and do this immediately. Yeah, it's late and I'm cold. I just need to get inside. I don't think I need to go all the way back tonight. Unfortunately, I left my hacksaw behind.
I've never felt so cold in my life.
But I can just put this down to cure for the night here.
I've never been so hungry in my life.
Fresh moose hide. So in 10 days. Might as well go ahead and drop the sapling here too. Now, I do want to, trying to think about what the best way to do this is. Because we definitely want to harvest up that meat so that we have plenty of food. And I can either harvest all the guts or I can quarter him to get all the guts. I think it's like 15 minutes per to harvest them individually, which would take... what, like 3 hours? It's probably quicker just to quarter him. I could have done that to get the hide too, but I didn't want to take all that time just now, while it was cold out there. But I'm just trying to think, because I'd really like for the meat to be frozen, and then to use the hacksaw for harvesting it, because it's going to be significantly quicker. I'm just not sure it's going to be quick enough for me to warrant going all the way back to trappers. In fact, I kind of, yeah, I don't know why it didn't occur to me that I could just stay over here and harvest it if I was successful. That would have been way better. Anyway, it's late, it's dark. I think I'm probably just going to sleep for 10 hours here. And we'll go out when there's light in the morning. And try to find some more of my arrows. I've got enough cattails to make it through the night. Don't currently have any reishi tea made on me. So I'm not going to risk the food poisoning stuff right now. Oops, that was not what I meant to click. Let's go back to sorting alphabetically. Alright, so that's 2 things crossed off the list. The last thing that I mentioned at the beginning of the episode, I believe, was the Polaroid. Alright, let's save 5 of those in reserve. Yeah, I don't know what my plan is going to be here. Let's sleep and I'll decide in the morning. One thing I might do, it's not like we have much fuel here anyway. So what I might do is carry this back to Trappers. Take the sapling as well. Let's do this. I'll get the gear that I want for this, and then maybe we'll do a little loop. Hit up some other locations as well before we come back here. Yeah, let's do this because it's too early right now to be out there anyway. So I can walk this back to Trappers, we'll leave it behind. Walking into the wind, as usual. So I think I'll end the episode when we get to Trappers. Once we're there, we'll spend a little while warming up. Maybe I'll just sleep for another hour. We'll get organized. And then I'll probably do a loop where we go up by the watchtower. I think that's where the Polaroid is going to be. It was from that spot the last time I had a Polaroid. But I don't know if it's always there.
Damn, I'm freezing.
Deer carcass is gone. I don't know how easy it's going to be for me to find this pond or find the trailers. Try to see if I can spot the watchtower right now. Yeah, so I'm still down 1 or 2 more arrows as well. I have to figure out what happened to those when we're back over there. But yeah, I think what I'll do is make a little loop where we'll run to the camp office and then up to the watchtower and then back around. And I'll bring the hacksaw with me this time. And in the time that it takes to do that, the bear coat should be finished curing. do a little bit of running to speed this up. I think I'm going to hug the wall here on the way back so I don't have to climb up as high. Unfortunately, this is a pretty steep slope, so we might get a sprain here, even with the crampons. Yep, there it is.
I'm gonna need some first aid soon.
Okay, we should be starting to level out here. Just need a spot where it's a little flatter. Here we go. And I think I hear footsteps over that hill, so I'm going to stay just over here. Couple of rabbits out here. I don't know if I still need more stuff from them to craft the I guess the hat is the thing I have left to craft. I've already got the mitts. Alright, so there's the moose hide. Let's just go ahead and drop these. I'll organize them later. This is cured. Oh, and that's cured. So I'm actually ready to make the bear coat now. Let me go ahead and get those stashed in here for right now, so they're not taking up so much space. I guess what I could do is, yeah, I'm just trying to decide between traveling now or just doing some arrow crafting now. I think because it's so early that I should craft a couple of arrows in here before we leave. I think that's what I'll do, but I'm going to leave it for next episode. Yeah, this episode has kind of had a weird pace to it. I'm going to go ahead and grab that. I guess I should take the pry bar too, since we might be leaving here. Yeah, taking a break really threw me off, but on the other hand, we did get a moose, so I'm pretty happy about that. Alright, I'm going to create a save point here. In the next one, we're likely going to craft a few arrows, and then run that little loop
I need to find some.
through the camp office and the forestry lookout, and back to where the moose is, and then we'll harvest the meat off of him. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching.